complexity of financial planning. Where should I start? Financial planning can certainly be a very complex subject, and it is often overwhelming for many people to even think about. However, not thinking about it is not really the best option. So I share with my clients our 3-bucket approach to financial planning that we utilize at the Power Forward Group. And the idea behind our, well, I like to say financial freedom bucket approach is that you divide your money into different segments. And by doing this, it allows you to think about your money in different ways. And this in turn helps you easily identify your financial goals and put your money into action. So our focus bucket, this is where you keep money that you think you'll need within the next 1 to 5 years, so it is safe and liquid. For example, an emergency fund that allows immediate access to your money and can be used for anything that can't be paid for out of a cash flow that will happen in the next 6 to 12 months. Or an opportunity fund that includes large planned expenses within the next 5 years, such as a new roof for the house or a new car. Then we have our flexibility bucket. This is your financial goal bucket, or maybe the dream bucket. And if you don't intend, or if you don't need the money for between 5 and 10 years, or sometimes as many as 15, you can keep the money in your flexibility bucket. It can be used as a planned income source for the first phase of retirement, and it is set up for growth to offset inflation. And then we have our future bucket, age 60 plus. This is your retirement bucket, long-term growth and legacy planning money. Any funds that you have saved specifically to provide income when you retire. Of course, that's subject to early withdrawal penalties prior to reaching age 59 and a half, and would fall into the 3rd bucket category. Traditional Roths, SEP and simple IRAs, as well as 401ks are bucket number 3 vehicles. The bucket approach will help you easily identify your goals, which is the first thing you need to do when putting together a financial plan, as this will determine exactly what you want to accomplish. Do you have 3 buckets? If not, please call us so we can help you put these buckets in place for you.